Hey everyone, is the Google Chrome showing the this site can't be reached error on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A weak connection can stop websites from loading. Step 2. Refresh the web page. Tap the refresh icon and try opening the website again. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone, then open Chrome and try again. Step 4. Clear Chrome cache. Go to Chrome, Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, select cache, images and files, then tap clear data. Step 5. Check date and time. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and turn on Set Time automatically. Step 6. Update Google Chrome. Open the Play Store, search for Google Chrome, and install any available update. Final tip. If the website still does not open, try another website to check whether the problem is with Chrome or the website itself. And that's it. This step should help fix the Google Chrome. This site can be reached error on your Android phone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.